success and failure, as well as joy and pain. The possibility of sorrow and happiness is greater in marriage. The possibility of sorrow and happiness, the person who has not made the wager of devotion cannot be heard by another, as can the person who puts his or her faith in another. Nor can he or she know joy as the one who shares all with a trusted, loving companion. Larry and Nobeline, are you ready in the presence of this community to declare your intention to this undertaking of faith and love? Larry, are you willing to receive Nobeline as your wife, having full confidence that your abiding faith in each other will last a lifetime?
I do, Pastor.
May the Lord bless you. Nobeline, are you willing to receive Larry as your husband, having full confidence that your abiding faith in each other will last a lifetime?
I do.
May the Lord bless you. Sa lahat ng mga kapamilya ni Larry at ni Nobeline na nandirito ngayon, mangyari lamang po na kayo ay tumayo. Lahat po. Ang isasagot niyo po sa aking tanong ay, we do. Do you, the families of Larry and Nobeline, give them your blessing, promise to uphold them in their marriage, and encourage them in their life together? May God bless you all. Please be seated. To our beloved sponsors na nandito po ngayon, hinihiling ko po na tumayo po kayong lahat. At ang isasagot niyo po sa akin ay, we will. To the principal sponsors who are here today, can you promise to stand by the couple today, offering guidance, support, and love?